Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic cascading style sheets. So let's get started. When using box sizing, border box, if an element is set to width 300px, padding 20px, and border 5px solid black, what is the actual rendered width of the element's content area? The correct answer is option B, 250px. Which Flexbox property is used to align items along the cross-axis within a single-line flex container? The correct answer is option B, align items. In CSS Grid, what does the 1FR unit represent? The correct answer is option A, a fraction of the total available space in the grid container. Which property is used to create a sticky element that toggles between relative and fixed positioning based on the user's scroll position? The correct answer is option B, position, sticky. Which CSS unit is relative to the width of the 00 character in the current font? The correct answer is option C, ch. Which property allows you to specify that an element's background image should not scroll with the rest of the page? The correct answer is option D, background attachment, fixed. What is the correct syntax for declaring a CSS custom property, variable, at the root level? The correct answer is option A, main color, number 333. Which CSS selector matches every P element that is the second child of its parent? The correct answer is option D, P nth child, 2. To create a smooth transition between two states, which property defines the speed curve of the transition effect? The correct answer is option A, transition timing function. Which value of the ObjectFit property scales an image to fill its container while preserving its aspect ratio, potentially cropping the image? The correct answer is option C, cover. By default, ZIndex only works on elements that have a position value other than. The correct answer is option B, static. Which property is used to control the capitalization of text, such as making every word start with an uppercase letter? The correct answer is option D, text transform. Which CSS property can be used to prevent an element from reacting to pointer events like clicks or hovers? The correct answer is option A, pointer events, none. How do you select all elements with the attribute title that starts with the word note? The correct answer is option B, title = note. In the box shadow property, box shadow, 10px, 10px, 5px, 2px black, what does the 2px value represent? The correct answer is option B, spread radius. Which property allows you to specify a fixed ratio between an element's width and height? The correct answer is option C, aspect ratio. Which CSS property is used to divide an element's content into multiple columns like a newspaper layout? The correct answer is option D, column count. What is the effect of visibility, hidden, on an element compared to display, none. The correct answer is option C. Visibility hidden hides the element, but it still takes up space in the layout. Which unit is relative to the font size of the root element, usually HTML? The correct answer is option A, rem. Which CSS property allows you to apply graphical effects like blur or color shifting to an element? The correct answer is option C, filter. Which property defines how a flex item will shrink relative to the rest of the flex items in the container when there isn't enough space? The correct answer is option B, flex shrink. What does the isolate property do in CSS? The correct answer is option B. It creates a new stacking context for the element. Which property is used to set the direction of text, e.g., for vertical writing in Asian languages? The correct answer is option C, writing mode. To increment a CSS counter, which property must be used? The correct answer is option D, counter increment. Which CSS property provides a hint to the browser about what kind of changes are expected for an element, allowing optimization before the change occurs? The correct answer is option A, will change. How do you make a scrollable container snap to specific points when a user stops scrolling? The correct answer is option C, scroll snap type. Which value of overflow wrap, formerly word wrap, allows unbreakable words to be broken at arbitrary points if there are no otherwise acceptable breakpoints? The correct answer is option B, breakword. Which property is used to define the shape an element's content should be clipped to? The correct answer is option D, clip path. What is the purpose of the all, unset, property declaration? The correct answer is option A. It resets all properties of an element to their initial or inherited values. Which property is used to allow a user to manually resize an element, typically a text area or div? The correct answer is option B, resize. Thank you for watching.